Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website.
Previously, we showed how bookmarks can be created for developers of Power BI. Now, we'll show you how consumers can utilize bookmarks in dashboards. Creating and using bookmarks as a consumer will allow you to quickly and easily retrieve the settings that you want, instead of creating them each time. Let's start by opening the Power BI homepage with the link here. Then we'll click on Apps to the left and click on a dashboard that we would like to create a bookmark for. We'll use the Incident Management dashboard in this case. Now, let's say we would only like to see the ACG operation incidents of 2019 instead of the usual default view of the dashboard. We'll change the date on the slicer to 2019 and change the business service to ACG operations. Afterwards, we'll click on Bookmarks over here, followed by Add a Personal Bookmark. We'll rename the bookmark to ACG Operations 2019 so that we know what this specific bookmark is for. Now, we'll reset the dashboard by clicking here, then click Reset and we'll go back. Anytime you leave the dashboard or the entire site, when you come back, your bookmark will still be saved inside that specific dashboard. To see all the bookmarks created by a developer, we'll open up a report by going to My Workspace and clicking on our report that we made previously. From here, we'll click on Bookmarks and click Show More Bookmarks. Then we can see and use all the bookmarks created by the developer. We can do the same for dashboards as well.
Thank you for watching this episode of the BI Quick Tips series. You can find all BI Quick Tip videos on the Help Files website. Until next time.